What's up YouTube? Q here again. In this video I'm really excited for. It's going to be my first real mod for the Camaro. I'm actually sitting on it now, and the title of the video probably gave it away, but I got an exhaust for my car. Got this right here. I got the some Borla axlebacks, the S-types. So let me open it up and show you what it is. Before I dive into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, browse the channel, tell your grandma, aunties, cousins, uncles, dads, and with that, let's hop into it. Let's check this thing out. So this is the Borla S-type. It's supposed to have a deeper tone than the attacks, or ATAK, but the S-type is a deeper tone. The attacks, they're more like a more raspy tone. This is more of a classic muscle car tone. And the tips that I got on here, show them to you all. Got the carbon fiber tips. All right, there we go. Let me go in the sunlight so we can see up in here. See, that was well packaged together. And you can see this little piece right here. That is what I believe for my MPP. I didn't want to get rid of that because I still value being able to open and close my valves. So I'm still going to have that stock functionality. Man, I am breaking the sweat out here. It's so hot. But let me find a place to get this installed. I'm going to try and go back to the place that did my Mustang H-pipe. They were really cool and let me put my camera in there. So I'm going to try to show you all the install. See you when we get to the exhaust shop. It's a rainy day out here today, but I'm at Muffler Man again. As you recall, I got my Mustang done here. Got the Camaro pulled up, about to get the axle backs put on, the Borlas.
Yes. I know. Are you inhaling on it or in the car? Are you?
The car was so low, we had to put it on some boards.
The car as soon as possible, or?
This is the valve where the MPP goes to open and close the valve. So we took the valve cover from the old exhaust and put it on the new one. These are on the same, so that side over there. You can see here the stock exhaust versus the new muffler, much bigger. about to pull off, leaving. Doesn't sound too much different initially, but I'm gonna get on it after this car passes. For the mufflers, they don't fit in the Camaro. Had to bring the flex. Barely fits in here too. Do the work. And that's gonna wrap up this video about my Borla S-type exhaust. So let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video. So I'm gonna come back to the exhaust later down the line after it breaks in. So if you don't know, the exhaust, it takes a few hundred miles to break in, so it'll be even louder and deeper. But as of now, I like the way it sounds. So yeah, let's take a look at it one more time before I end this video. Pardon the dirty car. But yeah, I like the way that these look. Carbon fiber really pops. Looks really good. Matches my gas cap. Got the carbon fiber over there, which you probably won't be able to see in this garage. Yeah, probably can't see that. But yeah, I'm thinking about adding more carbon fiber bits to the car. So I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks for watching. Peace out.